Okay, here we have from Advance model 3133 loud electric alarm clock. Now this has an adjustable loud or soft alarm. It has a repeating snooze, easy setting control. What we mean by that is look at the buttons on top. Look how easy this clock is to operate. Nice large snooze button. Okay, bright digital display. And it requires one 9-volt battery for battery backup. But what I like about this clock is it has a speaker right here. And when you hear the alarm in a moment on soft and loud, I think you'll be quite surprised. Quality by Advance.